Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a video showing you guys the latest Dash app for drivers, for dashers, and it's basically an overview of the app. So let's go ahead and get to it. This is the main screen that shows up when you tap to open it, and right now it's showing me these red areas and gray areas. Basically what that means is that there are dashers that are needed in these particular areas, and if I was to tap on Dash Now, it's going to ask me what my end time will be. I can select an end time and I can start dashing right away, and that would mean that once I tap my end time, I have to check all these options and then click on start your dash, and I'll be ready to receive orders. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, and then I'm going to delete the dash since I'm not going to be dashing right now. So let me just explain to you guys what all the features are of this app. So at the bottom here, the bottom right hand corner, there's a question mark. If you tap on that, it's going to show you a legend of what these colors mean. And like I mentioned before, gray means they don't need dashers there. Then there's pink, there's dark pink, and then red. So there you have that. This particular bottom left hand corner is if you want to center the map and show you the green dot is your location. At the top, these three dots, the menu icon is just about and information. The question mark is help, if you need any kind of help. And this bell right here is basically just kind of like a feed, that Dash kind of DoorDash kind of has showing up with these updates. Now let's go ahead and tap on this menu at the top left hand corner, and this will show you I'm logged in right now. If I go ahead and tap on schedule, this is where it shows you what the available blocks are in your area, or whichever areas that you select. Now if you notice, there's on the top it says car and locations. If you tap on this bar anywhere, right here, let's say, it's going to show you guys all these different areas where you can actually dash in your surrounding areas in California or Southern California. And as you can see, there's LA, there's Inland Empire, there's OC, there's San Diego, and there's High Desert, the Valley, so basically surrounding areas of where you're located. Now if you were to select any of these options, I've selected the ones that are the closest to me. So right here, 1 location, 2 and 3. So I have 3 locations selected that are the closest to me, and that's what it's going to show me here. Like, these are the 3 locations that I've selected, and it's showing me that dashers are needed in these areas, and these are the particular blocks that are really busy. So you're gonna make money if you select any of these blocks. Now you can typically just dash anytime you want, as long as you're within the red area or the pink area on the map, and you can basically just go there and go online. It says dash now. You tap on that and you can start accepting deliveries. And the other way of doing it is actually choosing a schedule where it tells you that these are the busy times and you're going to make money here. And you can actually edit the dash anytime you want. You can end the dash You can edit the time as to when you want to start and when you want to end, so it's very flexible in that way. So if I was to tap on any of these, it will, allow me to create by selecting a start time and end time, and then I can go ahead and start dashing in that particular block. Now let's go to earnings. Earnings is basically what it tells you, tells you how much you've made, and you can, at the very top it says use FastPay. This was just introduced like maybe a few weeks ago to a month ago, where they have actually have the option of paying yourself instantly. They charge you like $1.99, and whatever you make, you can cash out immediately to your your debit card or your bank account. So that's what this FastPay is about. Ratings obviously is basically your ratings. Mine's 4.75, and my acceptance rate, completion rate, on time or early, and my lifetime deliveries right there. Account details is basically your personal information. You can edit this by tapping on edit account details at the bottom. The red card is basically what you receive when you go for the DoorDash orientation. They will give you a red card, which is basically a credit card that you use in some cases where the customer hasn't paid for the food. So you have to use the red card given to you by DoorDash to pay for the food. And this is where you basically put in the information. Once you get the red card, once you sign up to DoorDash, you will input the numbers right here. And if you were to lose it, you have to tap on mark as lost, and then DoorDash will basically you'll have to go to a DoorDash location and they'll give you another card. Settings is where you can choose your navigation provider, and that's basically it. And if you tap on invite friends, you can send them a link through email, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, or there's a share button on the top, and you can select other options here, whatever's installed on your phone basically. And that's pretty much it. And you can also send invites over text at the bottom. That is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.